Hi all, welcome to week 7. So for week 7, there are two things that you will be working on. One is the introduction for your literature review. So let's look at the introduction. So if you click on the introduction, instructions and format, your introduction is one paragraph that includes all of these things. However, it is not a bulleted list. It is a paragraph that includes the background literature. It includes as to why you're doing it, the purpose, components of the study, and then the last sentence is the research question. Your introduction has to be written completely in third person and future tense because this is a study that you are proposing to do. So that is what the introduction is about. And if you will go back and you will see there is a rubric for the introduction, and this is, so you can score a maximum of 12 points and you get 9 out of those 12 points. So let's look at the next thing that you guys have to do this week is the assignment 3, which is based on your chapter 4 and 5. So here is chapter 4 outline, the PowerPoint, the video, chapter 5 outline, PowerPoint, video, and then I also put a PDF on oversampling because I have seen that students have issues with it, and this is the oversampling video. So here is your chapter. So you have 2 points for each scenario and 1 point for question number 1. So this is your question number 1, and then each scenario is 2 points. You will justify your answer as to which one you chose and why. And here is another scenario, and you have probability sampling, non-probability samples, and this is your assignment 3 that is based on chapter 4 and 5. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I look forward to reading your assignments.